Food here.
More than Westfield.
Get the plato.
Say good morning, Scott. Lolo, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lola, what do we have here on the table?
Yeah.
What food do we have?
Ano?
Uh, yes.
Ebon.
This one is nakapampangang kilayin. This one, kilayin. And that one, part that.
This is like... Oh,
Ate, ito kasi ito eh.
Lola Doring's
here.
garlic rice.
Garlic rice or plain rice? Which one do you...
Wow. What a breakfast. What do you have, Marley?
Thank you.
Yes.
Take away for spaghetti, no, Jollibee last
Yeah,
night.
Marley won the Jollibee last night. Later.
So how's the Jollibee last night?
I didn't have Jollibee.
Good morning, Kuya Renzo.
Morning.
Excited for today?
I was really wanting the Jollibee.
That's good.
Then she said you have a takeaway.
Right, for 2 days, 2 separate days. Our flight tomorrow is very early.
What time?
It's 5 o'clock. So we need to be there at the latest 3:45. Yeah?
Boy.
So I don't know if you wanna still go out tonight or we go home by 10. We'll be home here so you can have a rest. Yeah. Think about that. And then the tour in Bohol, it's either there's two tours. It's because we're arriving there early, 8 o'clock. It's either we do the tour when we get there, the land tour, or we do it the next day. Remember that the check-in on the hotel is 3 p.m. Or do you just want to go to the hotel, use their facilities, walk around? Right? Because I don't know that there's a chance that the flight might get delayed pala. No, dun sa, no? So maybe we just go to the hotel, walk around, get familiar, and then
Yeah.
we do the land tour,
Yeah.
and then rest the next day, and then do the snorkeling the following day, no? Ganun na lang, no? Okay. By the way, that's I think 3,000 pesos per person for the 2 tours. That's alright for 2 days. Yeah. So it has a car. We have a tourist guide, and will take us around, and we'll take professional photos.
Okay.
That's what we'll do, no? Do you want to do the snorkeling first or the land tour? Snorkeling?
Whatever. Tell the camera what's the plan today.
Today?
Plan today.
Today, after breakfast, we're going to Clark to be picked up to do our Avatar Gorge tour. So it's for half a day. It will start with a pickup, obviously, at Clark, and then an hour 4-wheel drive to the site, the Avatar Gorge, and then of course it's picture taken there, and then after that an hour and a half we will go to the Aita village to meet with the locals and picture taking, and then a 4-wheel drive back again to the drop-off point, which is Clark. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
say-
make sure you mingle with the locals. Yeah. Find out what you want from them.
I'll say the whole thing again.
Pagkatapos, ay, papang pala. Kay Bat ning almusal, muta kami Clark. Para kabat pikapanda kami ka rin, kadalada kami, baka mag 4-wheel drive, mga metong oras, kabat kitang Avatar Gorge, walk around there, maglakad-lakad metong oras, kapat nanita, 4-wheel drive pabalik, ayali pala muta kay pakarat ng Aita village para picture taking, and then kabat mag 4-wheel drive kayong pabalik, para muli na. Baka mga kaming sisig kapang kabat kan lusing.
Candy. Excited for today, Dad? Excited for today?
Yeah. That's Instagram thing. I seen it at IG. So
Is this your first time meeting Aita?
no, last time we went to actually twice. We went to Mount Pinatubo, and then the second one was just the Puning hot spring. I think we passed that gorge, but it wasn't in because of the Instagram. They thought they can use that as a tourism. Yes.
Wow.
So we will see.
Okay. What does gorge mean, Mom?
Or just like where the waterways go between two big formation rocks.
That created by Mount Pinatubo.
The gorge?
The gorge was actually, it was a mountain,
Yeah.
and because of it was the volume of water that came out on the Mount Pinatubo. It was rushing down.
Yeah.
That created the gorge. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll ask the tourist guide. Yeah?
Apador, I have a question.
Hi.
Where,
Hi.
where were you when Mount Pinatubo erupted?
Translate me.
No karing ka ano niya may makmungin pinatubo.
Dao. Sina Lord Grandma.
Ang katang balemat wa.
Mm.
Tsura ka rin. Tsura ka rin? O ba't itata makatok ng ngiti?
Uwa, may kawani kami kasi manis tayo yung itik.
Were you scared?
Yes.
Oh.
Why are you scared?
Because I'm only the one your uncle is here and I'm there.
Oh.
We
Boom!
Oh, go. Because he is here, you are there. Okay, but
then your uncle is here. And
uncle.
Ay, Lolo. Lolo is here and I'm there. Then I miss her. I feel lonely.
Oh my god.
Lola didn't even think it's the end of the world, so it doesn't matter, huh?
Kasi, why don't you speak kasi Tagalog?
Kapangpangan eh. Dapat kapangpangan.
Magaling
High
nag-English
volume,
po.
high volume.
Magaling nag-English, Lola. Very good, very good.
That's English Carabao. Even Tagalog lang, you learn.
Sige po. What's up, guys? Dito na tayo sa Bato. On the way to the Avatar Gorge.
Our pilot is Kuya, ano?
Excited, Mom? Are you excited?
Right.
Damn, it's too bright. There you go.
Di ba si Eric taga Porac, saka si Eric Palagtas?
Kaya Arayat siya.
Carabao. How does that make you feel seeing Carabaos? Crazy. Crazy.
Tapos yung kangaroo na niya sa harap pinapit ang crater.
That's Mount Pinatubo, guys. The brown, the one in the middle.
Oh, wow.
Tubo. Sa likod niyan yung crater.
Barangay Ina Raro View Deck. That's Mount Arayat over there.
Mismong guide na ay kala rin. Maglakad na po. Tapos mamayad na rin po rin kayong agency.
Say hi to the vlog, Kuya.
Hi!
This is
Kuya Edsel.
Kuya Edsel, our tour guide for today.
Holding that one because that's the Mount Pinatubo.
Master driver, huh, Kuya?
Balut is really good, eh? Like, tarko.
Alright, guys,
Oh, parang ganon.
we are at the Avatar Gorge. Can you hold this real quick? Avatar Gorge. Wait, how do I adjust this bit? From the back? Ah, love. Too tight? Hold it over. Shuts. Here we go.
Pamating.
Ate, say hi to the vlog. Oh. Wow. This is nuts. Ew.
Looks like a nose.
We're in the caves, guys. This is actually crazy. I've actually never seen anything like this. Wow. Hold up. Wow. This is nuts. So all the lahar from Mount Pinatubo looks like it came all the way through here. That's why the dirt is and sand is whitish. Hey Tom, can you hear me, Tom? Hold up. Yo Marlon, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me, Tom?
Why are you in my ear when you're all the way over there?
Wait,
Oi.
you have an AirPod in?
Nah, do you?
No? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, bro.
Si Rian. Combination of Ricky and Rian. Rian. Ate Rian said when you're coming down, hold on the bamboo.
Okay. You got this, bro. True blue, true blue.
I can't see.
Ay, saan yung ano natin? Ayun pala.
The serious look from this
Tarzan.
Spider-Man. The spider?
Yeah.
Next!
It's tracking your face. That was a spider. I got scared, so I started holding it like this. Yeah.
Magaling si Renzo. Okay.
That's nice. Crazy. Sure. You wanna record today? You wanna be the cameraman? Sure.
Whoa!
Oh.
Hindi ka na ng helmet mo.
Sabi niya, naka-helmet naman ngayon.
Yan.
Wow. Vince, good job.
Kunyari, nagsasagwan.
Upside down. I'm not doing this, bro.
Kamay na. Ito ba? Kunyari, bumaging eh, oh.
This place is crazy, though.
Actually, ang ganda naman. Yun, oh.
Wait, mom, move. Come this way, mom.
Sapa, sapa. Alright, boys.
Look at this. Is this tough?
Ang ganda
Oh
naman.
my
Oh,
goodness.
that's nice. That's nice, Tom.
That's nice, Tom. That's nice. Was that right there?
Ano, tingnan mo.
Oi, oi. It's okay, it's okay. If you know what I mean. We're just learning. Learning photography.
Para ka nagbaging, no?
How do you turn down the white balance?
Tarzan.
Back, mom.
Galing, galing. Thank you.
Okay.
Pinagaling na ni ate yung ano. Beautiful. All the way up. Huh, Marley?
Yeah.
The senior puyat mixed it up, huh? Mr. P.
I don't know if you would be able to do this one.
I love detection here.
Yeah.
Ano, group? Group?
Come. Tapos ikaw lang.
Maganda to. Nakita ko sa Instagram to eh. Diba? Pinakita ko sa'yo.
Stay away kasi makikita tayo.
Dapat doon tayo sa palalim. Okay. Dito tayo na po.
Kasi tingnan mo na para alam mo kung ano nang gagawin mo. Ano sa tabi ka?
Finger star. I think I told you guys to wear the wrong footwear. So,
Doesn't know it's good.
huh?
Hindi na pinatubo ang chinelas. Tito Vincent, Nay. That was 3 hours trek. Oh my God.
With only Skyflex.
Skyflex and money.
Okay, Marley, next.
Take off your helmet.
And your bag. Give it here.
Oh, Renzo, ikaw muna habang nagpe-prepare si Marley.
Bata lang. Sabi mo, woo! Woo! Sabi mo, chihoo! Show them how it's done, Tom. Say, do it. Yun. Having fun? Okay, bye. Joke lang. Oh, sige. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Kaya mag-slide ka sa 6, 7.
6, 7.
Slide. Go. Sige.
6, 7. Nasasabay ako. Wait lang. Like, dance muna. Like this, go down. Wait.
Oh, oh.
Okay, dance muna. Here. Go down like this. 6, 7.
Oh!
Hi, guys. Ayan na. 6, 7.
Whoa!
Go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 7.
Oh! Oy! Oh, going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui. Check your face or what? So whatever. Alright guys, today we're gonna be training so I can defeat so today guys restart it. I think today guys we're gonna be shooting some cans. But you took the Ricky's rifle?
Yes, this one.
Yeah. Let's get to it. What type of gun is this? What's this gun?
It's a air rifle.
Air rifle. Okay. Awesome.
But it's not, no. It's already loaded.
Loaded?
Yeah.
Alright.
But it's not.
So ground ito?
Ha?
The ground in the
The cans. Yeah.
Ready?
Go. Nice one.
Ooh.
Cock it, cock it. Pull.
Pull like this.
Yes. Put the bullet.
Ang tandaan na pag tiro mo kaya kanina eh. Kala. Robot ko. Pumupunta sa banda kanyan. Gentleman named Ricky Aguilino was the one who trained the Accra.
Like a sniper.
Pull it. Pull it. Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, it's been a while. I forgot to do this.
Yeah, put it now.
Forward?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, 2 for 2. Come on.
You're a marksman. You're a marksman.
Not too bad.
Not
We're
too
ready.
bad. You're good. Later
Are you
I'll
ready
put-
for? Ready for the next level, but we gotta see Marley first.
Later I'll put the can on my head, yeah? Then you try to shoot it. Okay?
Alright, alright. Well, put the bullet on your head then now. Good. What's the damage?
This one is in the middle.
Wow.
Go through here, out there. See?
Wow.
The other one.
Yun.
In, out.
And out. Boom! One in through one hole, out the other, mate.
On both of them?
On both.
Not bad.
Let's go, let's go. Step by step.
Step by step.
Okay.
So you have to go up and then cut. There's one, two. It's better to know. Then, let's take this one. Put it like this, not like
Forward.
forward. Then put there. Sometimes you have to put it like this. No, try.
Let's go, Marley.
Your finger, don't put the finger. That's why you don't shoot. No, no. Just your eyes. Not
Oh, not
too close. Yes. See?
Ooh! Marley!
Come on. Yeah.
This way?
Yeah.
Forward, forward.
The round one you have to put in the forward. Blood.
Vlog it. Show them, explain. Pow.
Okay.
Ang
plat.
No good?
No, we just... Come on, sit. Put the camera here and we eat all together.
Alright.
You eat with me, okay?
Get in the frame, bro. Is that good?
Alright.
Where's my water?
Good?
That's what he's so worried.
No water, no water. Just look up.
Ubusin na. Finish it Tom.
Salt. Just a little salt. Okay. So crack it on the end. Look for the rounded part, not the point. Not the point.
The flat part.
Yeah, the flat part. Yeah. That's where you
Pok.
peel. Peel. Once you. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Try to
Sip.
taste the juice.
To sip the juice.
Sip the juice. Try juice.
Di pa din
Put
namin
some
asin.
salt.
Yeah, put a little bit salt. Put a little salt. Juice.
Yeah.
Good.
Finish
If you want,
it
you can
all.
put vinegar also. Okay. How was it? Still good?
Good.
Chicken soup. Are you still with me? With me?
Masarap.
Then peel.
Masarap.
Peel. You peel halfway. Halfway. Halfway, guys. Peel halfway.
Expert.
Yes. Balut expert. Okay. Still with me? Still with you? Still with me? Okay. Still good? Put a little salt. Salt.
Sabi ang Paul
Put some
subo daw.
suka.
No one in the
Ah.
soup.
Subo daw nga, tambato.
No, 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 no.
Oh. I'm gonna go from shooting guns to
Peel more half. Peel half.
like this.
Yes, yes,
More,
yes.
more?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
You can put also vinegar or suka.
Ay.
Try.
Yeah.
One.
Salt, then. Put salt. Just a little. Just a little. Okay. Cheers, guys. Like this. Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Do you like just like eat the whole
I'm
thing?
alive.
Yeah.
Kampay.
One, two.
Kampay. Game. Tom. Finish. Alay pa mga napapangan.
See? What is the
Try
taste?
it.
Good? You like it?
Oh.
Come on, Mom.
Go, go, go.
Go.
One, two.
What? Chew it.
Chew it.
What?
Alin ni Agyo?
You're good.
Ayaw? Ayaw?
Ayaw.
Ayaw.
Mark, you like it?
One more.
Sabi ni Marley yan.
Sura dami nito.
It's not bad. Not that bad, no?
Ito, minute talaga po.
One more, Marley.
One more?
One more.
You like it?
You're the man,
You like it? You're the man.
Oh,
You're the man, man. You're the man.
Minute talaga po.
I'm not the man.
Come on, Tom.
I'm just a
You
boy.
like the soupy part?
I'm just a boy.
But the soup is good.
Try with
Oh,
the
vinegar.
soup.
try it. Ay, nabore.
But
Ay,
you
nabore
can
ito
try
siya
with
ba?
vinegar. Soil vinegar.
Mga
Don't cry. We're just eating balut. Why are you crying? I'm doing it by myself, Tom. Come on. You didn't like it? Well,
The texture, the smell,
Kasi na binao, tama.
everything. Everything.
Ayaw.
Try it with vinegar.
Try it with vinegar.
Magkain mo mo.
It does taste a bit like organy,
Mm-hmm.
like liver or.
Yeah.
I don't like
Because
liver.
the texture is soft texture. Soup is good, no?
I just feel guilty for eating it. That's why. I don't
No,
like
it's
it.
okay.
Why?
Alright, show us how it's done.
There's feathers in this one.
Go on then.
Try with a little bit.
It's actually good.
See? Bro, seen you, right?
Yes. It's like boiled egg, but more nutritious.
And it has that umami taste.
Yeah.
See?
Wow.
Yo, you're the balut expert now, huh? Yeah.
Bullet boy, bullet boy. What the hell?
You're now Balut Marley.
You can tell your mom and dad. I eat
Marley
balut.
Balut.
Give it to my siblings. What is this part?
Game naman siya eh.
Game siya. Well
Game
done,
siya.
Marley.
You can also eat this part. But it's hard.
I like that part when I was a kid.
It's a little chewy. It's chewy.
It's just
Mabalik ka
blank,
na
nothing.
sigmura nito, man.
It's chewy. It's like eating a rubber.
Nalalansa.
Yeah, it's like
rubbery.
that.
Bumabalik ka na
Ah.
sigmura.
Here, you can have mine, Mom. Ew. Okay. Ready? Okay, perfect. Ready? Hand, where's your one? Here? From there? Here, hands on the finger. Okay, ready? Hands on, hands on. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. You win. You
How
win.
about balut?
Oh. You win below. You win below. Okay. I'll take that.
It's a tie.
Yeah, I'll get some glass. Say hello.
Hi. 6, 7.
Oh.
6, 7.
6, 7.
Oh. Anong dream jobs ka?
This.
Nurse. Wow. Ikaw, Taya. Dream job. TikTok?
TikTok.
Oh.